Hello, friends. Welcome to Noor Daily English. Today, we will learn English with a simple morning routine. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and enjoy the story. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I wake up at 7 o'clock. Sometimes I wake up early. Sometimes I wake up late. Say with me, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I make my bed. I make my bed. Say with me, I make my bed. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth in the morning. I brush my teeth at night. Say with me, I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I wash my face with water. I wash my face every day. Say with me, I wash my face. I put on my clothes. I put on my clothes. I wear a shirt. I wear pants. Say with me, I wear a shirt. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I eat bread. I drink milk. I eat an egg. Sometimes I eat fruit. Sometimes I eat rice. Say with me, I eat breakfast. I pack my school bag. I pack my school bag. I put books in my bag. I take my pencil case. Say with me, I pack my school bag. I say goodbye to my family. I say goodbye to my family. I wave my hand. I wave my hand. Say with me, I say goodbye. I go to school. I go to school. I walk to school. I meet my friends. We study together. We play together. Say with me, I go to school. Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I get dressed. I eat breakfast. I pack my school bag. I say goodbye. I go to school. Good job! You are learning English step by step. This is my morning routine. Practice every day to improve your English. Subscribe to Noor Daily English for more easy stories and listening practice. See you tomorrow with another easy English story.